My name is Jeff Grafin. I'm with Grafin Development. We are out in Indiana today constructing a new truck dealership. We are utilizing GTExpress to haul the precast panels for this beautiful truck dealership. GTExpress has got some great drivers, great equipment. They're doing a fantastic job for us.
My name is George Turcano. I'm the owner of GTExpress. We established the company in 2012. We move loads 48 states, flatbed, step decks, RGNs, Conestogas. I would like to thank you, Productuin Development, for giving this opportunity. I'd like to thank the drivers. I'd like to thank the office staff that helped us on this project.
Hey guys, I'm Rashid Wiley from Greensboro, North Carolina, and I'm proud to say that I work for GTExpress. Right now we're hauling loads to a construction site. We have to strap everything down and we have to pull permits for these loads.